Hey guys, Rob here. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through a 45-minute daily routine that's going to allow you to generate leads consistently and predictably. And by the end of today's video, you're going to have a 3-step process that you can just implement daily as a strategy, which is going to help you book calls with ideal clients and ideal customers. On demand pretty much. And this is actually a routine that I've taught to some of my own clients. I personally have used this successfully, and some of my own clients have made a sale within a single week of actually using this routine. So it's very, very powerful stuff. So stay with me here. So the first step of the 3 steps is audience, right? Get in front of your audience. Now, you could have the best product in the world, but if you aren't giving it to the right people, the right sort of ideal clients, then it's really not going to sell. You know, I could have the best type of lead generation service in the entire world that's 100% proven over time and time again, but if I'm offering it to people who aren't in business, who aren't interested, like, it's not going to sell anything. It doesn't matter how good the product is. So that's step number 1. Get in front of your ideal clients, find out where they're hanging out, and you can do this by doing a deep dive into their mentality and what they think like and where they're hanging out, and then you can add them to your network so you can be in front of them all the time. That's step number 1. Connect with the right audience, because a person with no audience isn't going to sell anything. Step number 2, prospecting. Okay, every single day get into the habit of adding ideal clients to your audience. So we're going to connect with them first and then start engaging with them. And I don't mean like a spammy automation engagement. That stuff doesn't work anymore. I should know, because I get 5 or 6 pitches every single week from people who offer a service to me, who basically have exactly the same service to offer that I'm actually selling. So that doesn't work anymore. It's saturated. People are getting desperate, and people now can smell that shit a mile off. So don't automate your messages. Send real, genuine messages based on like interest and based on actually chat to them, find out about them, understand if they're okay. You know, don't worry about how you look. Occasionally you make mistakes in messaging. Who cares? Because at the end of the day, you're meeting other people and you're doing it in an approachable way. So connect with them in an approachable way, engage with them. No, sending that first message to them, asking them, you know, what's up, find out a little bit about them, and then see if they want to have a call with you. If they don't want to have a call with you, follow up in the future. All right, this is massively important. Most people actually don't follow up in the future. They just kind of, you know, connect with an automated message, engage with an automated message, don't hear anything about, and move on from it. People are more skeptical these days. People need trust more than ever these days. So you have to learn to follow up in the future, and you can do this whole thing right here in 20 minutes every single day. And this also feeds into step number 1 of being in front of the right audience, right? That's the connection part there. Number 3, the final step of this process is release real, valuable content to nurture. All right. The reality is these days, most people aren't going to just jump on a call with you and buy from your business, right? You need to really nurture with content, right? So the audience can then start understanding that you are actually the real deal. And when I say release valuable content, I don't mean stuff which is designed just to get likes and just to get social media famous. I mean stuff which is like designed to actually really, really drive forward and give real value to your audience and like actually solve some of their pain points as well and solve some of their issues they're having. This is what I mean by real valuable content. I released an 8-minute video last month and 15 hours worth got watched of it, right? And it had massive reach on it, all because it was real valuable content. So think about it, 8 minutes into 15 hours. Like, people loved that video and they were just like, this is an incredible video and it's really helping me. Because it was really helping me, that's what kept people's attention. So once you've got the right audience, then you can, you know, prospect and engage and follow up with them and generate real good conversations with them, almost like a social butterfly. And from there, you can provide real valuable content to nurture them. And this helps people understand you, helps people trust you. And once you put all three of these together, that is a recipe for some super successful lead generation. And you can do all of this in 45 minutes to an hour a day. You know, you could do the prospecting in 20 minutes, and that also goes into the audience. And then once you release real valuable content, people will start from your audience, because it's speaking to them, will actually start to really understand that you can help them, and then will also start to connect with you themselves, and will start to engage you themselves and seek you out as the expert. So just this 3-step formula right now is so powerful just to get leads that, you know, it's worked before and it's been very successful. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. I appreciate, you know, I've massively simplified this down here. And if you feel like, you know, these 3 steps are good, but like it doesn't quite solve the problem that I've got at the moment because mine's a bit different or whatever, feel free to send me a message into my inbox. I'll try and work it through with you. I'll actually try and jump on a call with you and help you out with it to see if we can adjust your approach there and to see, you know, if something's not working out. And this is basically how you get leads with LinkedIn on a very simplified level. So basically you can just do it quickly and easily each day within 45 to 60 minutes. And it's no trouble at all, and everyone can afford 45 to 60 minutes. If you can't, then stop watching TV for an hour, right? Hope this was helpful, guys. Let me know in my messages if you need some more help here. Also book a call with me if you need more help than what I've put on here and you want me to take a look into your specific situation. Have a fantastic day. Take care.